Okay guys, what we got here is a bag of dead frogs. These are the ones that were caught yesterday from the farm. There they are, cleaned up, gutted. That's the liver, I think. They leave the liver in. It can't be the liver, that color. There's the liver. I don't know what that is. Look how small they are. Little baby things. Anyway, got the charcoal fire going. We're going to grill them up. There we go. Barbecued Kermit.
Oh.
Now, unlike most places where they just eat the legs, here nothing will be thrown away. They cook the entire thing. They eat the entire thing. It'll be just the bones left. This is not a sometime food, this is a regular staple around here. When they don't get them in the farm, they go buy them in the market. Okay, just about done. Bubbling away nicely. Look at that. Now, there's not a whole lot of meat on these, obviously. But this kind of food feeds millions of people in this country. Neighboring countries. It's free, you just have to go find it. There they are, done. Now from here they don't eat them like this. They'll make them into soup or something. Kanunjin.
Namthik can do everything, you know.
Yeah. Many ways to eat, huh?
Ow! Broken leg.
That's a frog leg for you. Time for another batch. I'll come back when it's all done. Okay, there they are, finished. Turned out there was a couple of fish in the bottom of that bag as well. Come here, little fishy. Right there. Now, I tried these frogs. It's the first time I've ever eaten them. It's not bad, actually, considering there's no seasoning or salt or anything on them. Tastes kind of like fish, I guess. But the liver is really good. It tastes like salmon liver. I was really surprised. I'm not sure how they're gonna eat these. Some delicacy, I'm sure. Maybe that's a different video.